Hello, my name is Charlotte from Oldham Volkswagen Van Centre, and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Just landed in stock, we do have the fantastic Volkswagen Multivan style that does come with an impressive 150 PS alongside housing 7 seats inside, so it is the ideal spacious upgrade. Complemented on the exterior by the stunning Starlight Blue, it does come with your 2-litre TDI engine, meaning it is the ideal upgrade for those wanting to cover extra miles. This short wheelbase does come with plenty of top features all round, including your electronic tailgate, which you can access on your key fob, alongside plenty of other top features including your LED headlights. Alongside your stylish 19-inch alloys, you do also have your power folding and heated door mirrors to add extra protection when you are stationary. For parking in those tighter spaces, you do also have your full parking sensors. Again, using your key fob, you can access your twin opening doors, which will expose more than enough space inside. As you can see, you do have your luxury part leather, part suede finish with your handy pull-out trays for those longer trips. Moving just behind, you do also have 3 extra seats that do turn into a handy armrest in the centre. And moving into your front interior, you will find your multifunctional leather steering wheel for driver convenience, with access to your digital cockpit and central touch display screen. You do have again your 2 front armrests with your part leather, part suede finish for enhanced comfort for all travelling passengers. Moving on to your steering wheel, you will find access to various audio controls for seamless navigation around the vehicle, alongside your options to easily navigate around your cockpit screen. So you do have your on-screen display of your built-in satellite navigation, as it does come with a full view mode, so it is ideal when you are in those unfamiliar areas, alongside further safety features including your lane assist, adaptive cruise control, speed limiter and front assist mode. Moving across into your central touch display screen, you do have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you and your travelling passengers entertained, alongside your built-in navigation as previously shown. So again, it is ideal when you are in unfamiliar areas and those who love to explore around, as this is the ideal vehicle to do so. You do also have your app Connect, so it is ideal for quick access to all your vital car apps, alongside your on-screen display of your interior and exterior features, alongside all your driving data including your tyre pressure and servicing and checks to easily keep an eye on the vehicle. For that personalised touch, you do also have your selection of colour modes, which will alter the aesthetic of the vehicle, alongside your different themes as well. So as you can see, it does change your home screen. You do also have assist systems for enhanced safety with your IQ Drive, alongside your parking sensors as previously shown, and if you do pop the car into reverse, it will activate your rear view camera, so plenty of help getting into those tighter parking spaces. You do also have your on-screen display of your smart climate, with things such as warming of your feet and hands in those winter months, alongside your dual climate for a personalised temperature. You do also have your 2 front heated seats as well, followed just below by plenty of storage and your 2 handy cup holders, along with your electronic parking brake and plenty of storage in your central console. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 318 3022 or inquire online now.